Making use of the airport is often easy for so many people, but it is always tasking for people traveling by air for the first time. In today's video, we will go through 4 tricks to learn when using the airport. The tricks about to be revealed in this video will work for both first-timers and people who have traveled frequently, so make sure you watch this video till the end to find out if you already know about any of these tricks. Before we get into details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 4. Red-eye flights will help. Airports are almost always crowded except for nights. So if you don't want to fly when the airport is packed or in the rush hour and you don't mind overnight flights, then you should book for a plane that leaves past 10 p.m. That's a red-eye flight. Red-eye flight cuts out a lot of hassle that usually happens during day flights. You can simply go to sleep for a while and get ready to fly when you wake up. Number 3. Avoid crowded checkpoints. If you don't want to wait in a queue forever, you should pick the checkpoint farthest to the left. A less crowded checkpoint will cut the time you'll use to wait in line and help you get in faster if you're in a rush to make your flight. Research shows that most people are right-handed and tend to turn right first, so do the opposite and go left. Number 2. Airports offer free Wi-Fi. Always check for free Wi-Fi to avoid wasting all your data. Many airports offer unlimited data for free, while others allow you to sign in for a certain time. Either way, you won't get to pay for data, and you can use it to do whatever you want. You can download movies to watch as you wait for your flight, and you can also make research with it. Whatever you choose to do with the free Wi-Fi is okay. Number 1. Pack your own snacks and have a spare container for water. This is very important if you're trying to cut down on spending. The truth is, airports will drain your pocket if you're not careful. The food, snacks, and water in every airport are always expensive. The vendors know that you'll have to buy these products, so they can sell them at ridiculous prices sometimes. The solution is to pack your own snacks and pack enough snacks to munch on as you wait for your flight. The same goes for water. Go to the airport with a free container and take water when you get past the checkpoint. This will save you from getting bottled water at ridiculous prices. Don't forget to make use of these 4 tricks on your next or new trip to the airport. I hope this video has helped you figure out how to prepare for your flight. If you have a suggestion or any other concerns about some of the tricks listed in this video, please tell us in the comment section.